Hello everyone, welcome you all. Students, today in this video, we'll do some questions based on exercise 7.2 of our chapter 7, triangles. So, our first question for today is, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle ABC are 60 degree each. So student, in this question, since the given condition is that we have an equilateral triangle and we know that in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So here, AB equal to BC and equal to CA. All the sides are equal. And now we have to prove that angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C is equals to 60 degree. And now since AB is equals to BC is equals to CA, so from here we will consider AB is equals to BC. And if AB is equals to BC, then the angle opposite of side AB is angle C and the angle opposite of side BC is angle A. So student, from here angle C is equals to angle A and the reason is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is our first equation. And now similarly we will consider BC is equals to CA. So here also the angle opposite of side BC is angle A and the angle opposite of side CA is angle B. So from here student, angle A is equals to angle B and the reason is that angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is our second equation. And now from first and second equation, you can clearly see that angle A equal to angle B and equal to angle C. So this is our third equation. Now by applying angle sum property in triangle ABC, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So from equation number 3, if angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C, then from here we have angle A plus angle A plus angle A and this is equals to 180 degree. So from here thrice of angle A is equals to 180 degree and therefore angle A is equals to 180 degree upon 3 which is equals to 60 degree. So from equation number 3 we know that angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C and therefore all the three angles are equal to 60 degree. So hence proved. And now our second question for today is, ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to sides AC and AB are equal. So student, show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF and in second part AB is equals to AC. That means we have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. In first part we have to prove that triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACF. So we will take both these triangle and from here you can see that angle A is equals to angle A which is common angle and also angle AEB is equals to angle AFC. Both are 90 degree each and also BE is equals to CF which is given in our question that altitudes are equal. So from here student, we can say that triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACF and the reason is angle side congruency criteria. So in second part we have to prove that AB is equals to AC. So if triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACF, then by CPCT we can say that AB is equals to AC. So if AB is equals to AC and we know that if in a triangle two sides are equal, then it is said to be an isosceles triangle. So from here student, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and hence proved. And now practice this question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. And now our third question for today is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equals to AB. So student, in this question we have to show that angle BCD is a right angle. That means angle BCD is equals to 90 degree. So in this question we will start our solution by taking the given conditions. So here as you can see that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB is equals to AC. So student, if AB is equals to AC, then the angle opposite of side AB is angle C and the angle opposite of side AC is angle B. So from here student, angle ABC is equals to angle ACB and the reason is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. And now since it is given that AB is equals to AC and also it is given that when side BA is produced to D, then AD is equals to AB. So from both these given condition, we can write that if AB is equals to AC and AD is equals to AB, so from here AC is equals to AD. And now we will consider triangle ADC. So if student AC is equals to AD, then the angle opposite of side AC is angle D, and the angle opposite of side AD is angle C. So from here, angle ADC is equals to angle ACD, and the reason is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. And now we will consider triangle BCD. So here, by angle sum property, we can write that angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle BDC is equals to 180 degree. So from here, student, since we know that angle DBC is equals to angle ABC, and similarly angle BDC is equals to angle ADC. So from here, in place of angle DBC, we can write angle ABC plus angle BCD, and in place of angle BDC, we can write angle ADC, and this is equals to 180 degree. And now, since we have proved that angle ABC is equals to angle ACB, and also angle ADC is equals to angle ACD, so using it, we can write in place of angle ABC, angle ACB plus angle BCD, and in place of angle ADC, we can write plus angle ACD, and this is equals to 180 degree. So from here, student, angle ACB plus angle ACD is complete angle BCD. Therefore, from here, angle BCD plus angle BCD is equals to 180 degree. So from here, twice of angle BCD is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BCD is equals to 180 degree upon 2, which is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, student, angle BCD is a right angle, and hence we have proved. And now our fourth question for today is, in the given figure, if AC equal to BC equals to 4 centimeter and angle A equal to 40 degree, then find angle DCE. So in this question, according to our figure, since the side AC is equals to side BC, so from here, the angle opposite of side AC is angle B, and the angle opposite of side BC is 40 degree. So from here, student, angle A and angle B both are equal to 40 degree, and the reason is angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So now we will consider triangle ABC, in which we will apply angle sum property, in which sum of all sides of angle is equals to 180 degree. So from here, student, angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. So from here, 40 degree plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, from here, angle ACB is equals to 180 minus 80 degree, which is equals to 100 degree. And now, student, from here, angle ACB is equals to angle DCE, and the reason is vertically opposite angle. So angle DCE is also equals to 100 degree. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.